subscribers. They'll tell you how to fix your problem. So if you see storage almost full on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, the first thing you need to know, you need to remove some unnecessary and just temporary files from your iPhone. So you could also just open gallery and just find some photos or videos which takes a large part of your memory, and just remove them from your iPhone. Also, you could find here some apps, and just tap on app you could remove which are you not using. So just tap on this app and just move it from left to right. So after you could see that every icon becomes shaking, so just tap on the left side of bottom and sorry, of top, and just you will see remove. Just tap on delete, and after it will successfully delete this app from your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.